flexible budget, particulars, 50%, 60% and 80%. Correct? Then, which is the first cost, students? First what we'll write? We'll write the production capacity. Production capacity, total कितना है? At 50% it is producing 10,000. So इधर 12,000 होगा और इधर 16,000 होगा. Okay? Correct? Are students reply? Have you got the same production capacity? Okay? Then A part is the revenue. Revenue में selling price per unit. Selling price क्या लिया तुम लोगों ने, बताओ मेरे को. At 50%, how much? 200. It is already given. Then at 60%, it is given that selling price falls by 2%. So 200 minus 2% is 196. Then at 80% it falls by 5%, it is 190. So sales will be 10,000 into 200, that is 20 lakhs. Then 196 into 12,000, 23 lakhs 52,000. 16,000 into 190, 30 lakhs 40,000. So total कितना है? $20 lakhs, 23 lakhs 52,000 and 30 lakhs 40,000. This is the total revenue, students. Yes, any doubt in revenue part? Please ask. Was the sum a killer one? Yes? That's great. B part is total cost. First cost is direct material. Okay. Direct material जो है, it is given it is 100 per unit at 50%. So 10,000 into 100 will give you 10 lakhs. Then the raw material cost will increase by 2% at 60%. So 100 plus 2% is 102. Yes, students? 102 आएगा. Okay. So 102 into 12,000 will give you 12 lakhs 24,000. Are you getting the same figures? Then at 80% capacity, selling price falls by 5, raw material price increases by 5. So 100 plus 5% is 105 into 16,000 will give you 16 lakhs 80,000 as the raw material cost. Then second cost is direct labor, which is 30 per unit, and there is no additional information which gives you that there is change in direct labor cost when the capacity utilization changes. Is there any information, students? Are bolo bolo, is there any information? No. So direct labor $30 है per unit, so 10,000 into 30 is 3 lakhs. 12,000 into 30, 3 lakhs 60,000. 16,000 into 30, 4,80,000. Okay. Then you have factory overheads. In that 40% is fixed and 60% is variable. Correct? So tell me students, factory overheads, ब्रैकेट में मैं फिक्स्ड लिख रही हूं, what will be the amount of fixed factory overheads? What will be the amount of fixed factory overhead, students? 30 into 40% 12 आता है. So 12 into 10,000. 1,20,000 for 10,000 units. Okay. और क्या? Then for 60% कितना होगा? Tell me. For 60% it will be how much? For 12,000 units it will be 12,000 into 16. 1,92,000? No, 1,20,000. Are you sure? Yes. It is 1,20,000. You are absolutely correct, students. Okay, 12 into 12,000, 1,44,000 होगा कोल्हापुर. Yes, tell me what is the answer? 1,44,000? 1,20,000. Okay. So as you all say, मैं मान लेती हूँ कि 1,20,000 correct है, and I hope that you'll have understood why it is 1,20,000. Fixed overheads remains fixed irrespective of the production capacity. फिर चाहे वो 10,000 units हो, 12,000 units हो या 60,000 units हो. Is that clear? 1,20,000 is the correct answer at all the levels. Then factory overheads variable. कितना होगा अमाउंट? 30 into 60% will give you 18 per unit. So 18 multiplied by 10,000. पहले आएगा 1,80,000. Then 12,000 you'll get 2,16,000. Then multiplied by 16,000 will give you 2,88,000. Is this clear? Excellent students, तुम सब होमवर्क करके आए हो. Then you have variable overheads. Sorry, variable overheads नहीं है, administration overheads है. Administration overheads में fixed part. It is 50% fixed. So 10 into 10,000, that is 1 lakh is fixed. 1 lakh is for all the levels, fixed part. Then administration overheads variable is 10 rupees variable. Yes or no? 10 rupees is variable cost per unit. So 10,000 into 10, 1 lakhs. Then 1,20,000. And then 1,60,000. Get the total of cost. Then find the profit. $18 lakhs आ रहा है पहले का टोटल कॉस्ट. सो प्रॉफिट 2 lakhs होगा. $12,24,000 plus 3 lakh 60. Twenty-one lakhs 40,000 minus 23 lakhs 52,000. You will get 2 lakhs 12,000 as your profit. Then 16 lakh 80,000 plus 4 lakh 80 plus 1 lakh 20. Please confirm the figures from the board. Then we'll have healthy discussion on which capacity utilization is better.